Hey guys, it's Tony. I wanted to do a quick TA update on Bitcoin. We do have some pretty nice candles being created, but keep in mind we're still getting, you're still just wicking up there, right? You're not actually breaking that trading range. But the 4 hour actually just crossed bullish. What? At 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's been consistently going to the upside, right? So I can definitely see us continuing this push, and after we actually break range, I can see us going to 60K, like 100%. I can definitely see us going to 60K after breaking this range. Keep in mind, I'm in very tight shorts. I can definitely see very tight shorts happening right now at the my stops are I might get stopped out soon, as I do have my stop loss at 56, like what is it? 56,147, and we almost wicked up there like around 50, almost like at 56 or so we threw a wick up there. But keep in mind, these are some pretty strong these are some pretty strong candles being created and also above range. So it does look like it wants to break that trading range. And if you actually stick here for like another 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom, there you go. You actually wicked. You actually closed the candle, or not close the candle. You closed the candle over the break of trading range. So I would not be surprised right now if I do actually get stopped out. To be honest, I would not be surprised at all. This should probably actually be a little bit higher, since we do have a wick up here. So trading range is actually a little bit higher, but I do think that, because we actually closed, if this candle actually manages to break to close over 56,112, which is the previous high back here, I do think that, look at that. That's a huge run. Look at that. It's a huge pop right there on the 1 hour. So keep in mind, if this trading range actually gets broken, we can definitely see a pretty nice push from here. Basically just not a straight shot, but I would definitely think that we're going straight to like 60,000 bucks if you actually break this trading range. If you don't, I would definitely expect Bitcoin to possibly just come back down around maybe this level, like 54, 55K, somewhere right here. And right there, look at that. Perfect selling right there on the wick down. You guys can even see right there what's going on. So keep in mind, if we actually break this trading range, we go to the top. If not, expect it to probably drop back to like 55K or so. But, if we actually break that trading range, I think we're going to 60K, and I'm probably going to get stopped out of my shorts on Bitcoin. But yeah, I think I think for the most part, we have, let me see on the week, we have 19 more hours until we close the week bullish. There's like a 99.9% chance that we're going to close bullish on the week for Bitcoin. And if we do that, I am 100% bullish on crypto overall. So for the overall market, I would be 100% bullish on everything if we close a bull week. And if you guys want to add anything, I think this would be the perfect time to add even more into altcoins. So adding into like, ADA, Matic, Polkadot, I don't know, Atom, Avalanche, Anchor, Doggy, Shiba, whatever. Anything that's an altcoin would actually be a really good, solid time as soon as we close a bullish week. Actually, let's look at the total three. What are we looking like right here? Yeah, look at that huge candle, dude. Huge candle on the weekly, and total three is basically what is it called? Total three is essentially every single, it's the crypto market cap of everything from that's not Bitcoin or Ethereum. Is this what is it, like a 0.5? Yeah, it's a 0.5 retracement. See, even right now, you guys can see that you hit highs, peak, and then you had a 0.5 retracement, and then you're going back to you're going back up, and then once you actually break that 2.36 or that 0.236, you're definitely going to break previous high. I think we're definitely going to go, at least for alts, I definitely think we're going to see a pretty nice run to the upside. Actually, what would the forecast be? And now I'm actually pretty, I'm actually pretty, I'm actually pretty involved now. Let's see. Next forecast would actually be what? 1.34 trillion, which would actually bring it what? You would see an overall market increase, from where we are now on the altcoin market by like 50%. So if you do manage to actually break relative highs, I can see another 50% increase from where we are now, to that 1.34 trillion market cap for overall crypto. So if ADA's trading right now at like $2, expect it to go to $3. If Shiba's trading at 26 cents, expect it to go to 39 cents. If Doggy right now is trading at 25 cents, expect it to go to like 37 cents or like 40 cents, right? But this is for the altcoin market. Anything that is trading right now at whatever price, you can essentially split that in half and then just add it to the current price. That's what a 50% increase would kind of entail for the whole, for the entirety of the altcoin market. And I do think that, if we do break relative highs, it's basically going to be not a straight shot, but I do think it's going to be a pretty good indication of the altcoins being in full, bullish territory. But on the hour, again, keep in mind, it's perfectly going. It's wicking off that. It's wicking off the previous trading range, right? So you gotta beat that out. As soon as trading range gets broken, I think we're gonna go into 60K. If we go back down here, I'm probably gonna get out of my shorts at a small loss, more than likely. But I think as soon as this trading range gets broken, I think we're gonna be headed straight to like 60K. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.